And the Prophet said, a person who's arrogant and he's poor. A person who's arrogant and he's poor. You know why that's shocking? Because really, truly, all of us are broke. Point is, we're all broke. What does a broke man have to be arrogant about? There's nothing going on for you. You ain't got no education. You ain't got no money. I'm not trying to say it's bad or put man down for this, but I'm trying to make you understand arrogance in this context. I mean, look, man, a lot of us live in council houses, man. A lot of us are taking benefits, our parents are taking benefits, man. A lot of us dropped out of school, we ain't got nothing going for ourselves. We ain't getting no A's, A stars and GCSEs and college dropouts and uni dropouts. Some of us can't even hold up a job. They're the ones who are the brokest, with the least qualifications, the least money. One day, they shot a couple weed over here and they save up enough money to go buy a Gucci belt. And they think that they're the sickest guy in the street. Wallahi, you are so dim-witted and stupid. Shaitan deluded you on another level. You have got nothing to be arrogant about. You're broke. At least if a kid from Oxford University, his parents are rich, he's been getting A's his whole life, straight A's, graduated with a first, big job waiting for him. He's still gonna burn in the hellfire if he's arrogant. But at least for him, you can understand, but there's something going for you. But we're broke. We're broke. There's nothing going for us. So it becomes further intensified. The brothers on the road. Come on, act. There's a reason why you're on the road. I'm not trying to put you down, please. Understand, I'm not. Sometimes tough love is needed. You need to be a bit that needs to have some home truth. There's a reason why you're on the road, act. It's because you're broke. You chose to not get a good end. You went to school, you went to college, you had the same chance as everyone else. You are not a victim of your surroundings. You're a victim of your own lack actually putting in effort. You chose this life. You want a job? Come to me. Wallahi, I'll get you a job. You want money? I'll raise the money for you. No problem. I'll get you into uni. I'll do that for you. Get off the road. Stop selling drugs. Get out the gangs. But you chose this. And then you want to be arrogant? You're low, fam. And you keep walking on the streets like that, Allah will tear you apart. When are you gonna wake up? Stabbing a man up for what? Because he's from a different postcode. You don't own the streets. There's a white guy that owns the streets. You pay tax on the streets. You pay council tax. Are you mad? Are you kidding? Muslims over that. You don't own the streets. And you're arrogant. I beg you, my brothers, please make change.